In this video, we will see how we can see the path of the link CAD using Dynamo. For this, we will require two custom nodes, that is import instance.report instance and import instance report.path. And these two nodes are coming from BoolMask nodes packages. I have already installed this package, and if you just right click and go to the help, you will also see this nodes is coming from BoolMask.com. That is. So let's close everything and create the script from scratch. Click new and just right click and search here report. See, we are getting our first nodes here. Now for getting the path, we required report.path. See, and connect and run. See, we are getting three strings here. First one is for import CAD and next two are for link CADs. Now we will upgrade this script so that we will get this information as output when we will run this script from Dynamo Player. So we need to separate this import and link CAD, and we will do this using list filter by BoolMask. Connect string to list here, and we will also require one condition or one boolean for this mask input. So using string.contents and connect string to string here, and also look for a string that will contain C colon only. Now in our output we are getting one false value and rest of two are true value. And connect bool to mask here, and also we need one watch output. Connect into watch and rename it as result. Now run. See, we are getting only the paths of the link CADs here. So now right click and just click here is output and save the script, naming it as test path. We will run the script using Dynamo Player. Open Dynamo Player and just scroll down. See, here this is our script test path. Just click here and click run. See, we are getting paths of the link CAD here. So if this video is helpful to you, please like this video, share this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.